Yes, today is the day of reckoning for the hair bun video because my hair is disgustingly greasy, and that is the only time period you should be doing this. These are the little donut buns that you need to actually create it. If you don't have one of these buns, do not worry. I'm sure you have a sock. So what you're gonna do is cut the bottom off of it like this, and then you're just gonna roll it in on itself to create a donut. A donut. There you go, or bagel. That's it. So of course this end would be open, and then that way you'd be able to have a hole in the center, which is important because your hair is going to be coming through this hole. You're going to need some kind of a bun thingy. You're going to need a hair elastic that is big enough to go over this. We'll get there in a second. You're going to need hair elastics for putting your hair into a really tight ponytail that will not slip out as time goes on. You will also need some kind of a hair gel or hair product that's really good at keeping down the flyaways. And you will also need some bobby pins for securing the leftover hair at the end. We're going to pull our hair up into a really high ponytail, and wherever you put it, so like if I put it here, that's where my bun is going to be. If I put it here, that's where it's going to be. So this is like a one-time get it right kind of go. We have to make sure that all these little flyaways here are completely slicked down. Pull your hair through it. And I'm going to pull it all the way through. Here's the weird part. We're going to have to rebrush our hair because we need to change the angle of what our hair is feeling. That sounded like a hippie thing to say, but it's not, because you know when you brush your hair a certain direction, it kind of holds it. Separate my hair. And then you see how I'm just kind of pull it around to make sure it goes all the way to the back. I take my hair elastic, put it over my bun, like so. And now I'm gonna gather all this hair. So I'm gonna break my hair into 3 sections. You do have to make sure the base is quite tight. Everyone's gonna see it from the front perspective. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. So first I'm gonna secure it in the back. Let me turn around and hopefully you can see it right here. I'm gonna secure it with my Bob the Drag Queen pin, and right in the center area about here, yeah, it should hopefully snag onto that little. And then the only thing you need to do to finish it off is some kind of a hair clip. Just kind of brings it all together in a different way. It makes like a much more severe look. Oh my god, look how cute. But the back here will slide up, so you need to put like a pin here instead, and it'll keep it from sliding up. That's it on my super easy tutorial on how to put together one of these little donut buns. I hope you guys give a chance to try it. That's my new t-shirt.
In case you got here by accident, I actually do have a main channel. It's called Simon and Martina, where we go on adventures around Japan and Korea and other parts of the world. Come join us and check out our quirky, strange lives.